Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to prepare monthly report from work queue. So if you are working in a company and there is one requirement, like whenever your boat starts, so it will add items to queue, it will process that. So every day it will perform the same thing, it will add items to queue and start processing that, and it will have few exceptions, it will have few completed items. So on monthly basis you need to share one work queue report with your client, with your business user, and that report will have the count of total queue items that is processed within a month, and how much time boat took to complete that item, what are the minimum time boat took to complete one items, what are the maximum time boat took to complete one item, and what are the average time boat took to complete one item. So I am going to show you how to prepare that report. So you can see currently we have 39 records, and I am going to take it from 1st of February to today's date. So you can see here we have data that is basically created from 10th of February, and the last run is 19th of February. So we are going to include all this data and then we'll prepare one report. And if you have a requirement where you need to send a daily basis report, so you can go through my previous video. I can also give that video link in my video description. So here we have this start. Let me first delete this. I'm going to use same page, and we need to take one action. Double click on that, select business object work queues, select get report data. So get report data will give you all the data, and that is used for the reporting purpose. We have few parameters here, so we need to pass here. So I am going to first pass here queue name, because I want to get all the reports, all the data from this queue, and then tag if you have, you can enter here. Now we need to enter here first date of the month. So we'll write here first date of month is format date, open close bracket, here we'll write today, open close bracket, comma. So we are going to format this date, so today, and then comma, in the double quotation we'll put here 1 hyphen and then hyphen y 4 times y. So what will happen, it will take today comma 1, so 1 will be by default, so always date will start from first, so 1 hyphen current of month and current of year, so it will take here. Now same thing will add in the here in the finished start date, and here we have finished end date. So we are going to take from today's date, so we have 19th February, so I am going to put here today and enter here today. So the start date is the first date of the month, and the loaded start date also first date of the month, and finished end date is the today's date. Here you can enter your last date of the month, last day of the month, and here also you can enter end date. So currently I am just going to take till today's date, and based on the queue we should have around 39 records, and let me show you how we can do that. Now if you want to just get based on the specific resource name, you can enter here. Now here, do you want to include unworked items? No, I don't want to use that. So by default it will take false, so leave as it is. Do you want to include deferred items? No, so false. Do you want to include complete items? Yes, so I'll put here true. Here, do you want to include exception items? Yes, true. Do you want to treat each attempt separately? No, so leave as it is as a false. Now go to outputs, and here we need item count, we need total time, we need list time, list means minimum time, we need most time, most means maximum time, and we need mean time. So mean time is the average time, so only we need these things. Median is the medium time, so we are not going to use that. So only 5 parameters we are going to use. Now click OK. So we have these data items that we have. Now all these things we are going to store in a collection so that you can use it for the reporting purpose. So I'm going to take one collection. This is predefined collection. I'm going to add here that. So we have 5 fields. One that is minimum process time, and this will be type time span. Now copy this. We need maximum process time. This will be again time span. We need here average process time. So this is again time span, and we need total process time, and this will be also time span, and we need total count, total queue items count, and that will be number. Here in the initial values currently we don't have. We are also going to make it only single row, and now click OK and give name here, that is report collection. And now take one multi-calc stage so that we can store these data, these 5 data item, data to directly this collection. Let me link this here, link with, and double click here, add data to collection, and here we'll add 5 expressions fields, and we'll store one by one these things. So we need minimum process time, so we'll store here. We need maximum process time, we'll store here. We need average process time here, so we'll store here, and total process time, total count. Remove this, and now we'll take data from our these data items. So let's take it from time spans, list time. So list time is minimum process time. We have most time is the maximum, mean time is the average, time total is the total process time, and item count is a total queue items count. Now click OK. Now we are ready to run that, and let's see how it's working. Set next stage, and we are getting 29 records. The problem is here we are just getting 29 records. Why? Because it is taking data based on the date only, and let me show you here. In the queue we have 39. So the problem is we are just putting date, and date it means that will be only I think 19 and 12/0/0/0. So it is taking that data. So if you want all these records, so what we need to do, only we need to make changes here. Open this, get report data, and here instead of writing today we need to write here now. It means it will take data till current date time. It means 1:34 like that. Copy this, and here also put here now. So it will take today date and time, so current date time, and only today function, today expression will just give you today's date only. Now click OK, and now you can run this, and you will see that we will get 39 records. You can see here we have 39 records. So the problem that whenever we use, we just use as a date. That's why we do not get our required all this data. Sometime what happens here, if you see our time is, let me first save this, saved, and here we get time that is currently it is based on my current system 1:35. But sometime what happens, if you are using UTC or if you are using any other time zone, so your date time will be different. So you can update this date time format from your profile. You need to log in into that portal.blueprism.com, and then in your profile you can go and change that time zone, change to based on the your time zone. If you are from India, so you need to select Kolkata. From Asia specific, and based on your country you can select your time zone and then it will give you the correct time. Otherwise you might get a different data or less data. So by this way you can take data and you can prepare monthly report. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.